Nigerian Institute of Journalism students have aired their opinion and view about the Esther's cooking pot, which is the school's cafeteria, about the attitude towards the students. Different students from various levels have made their opinion known on how the staff of this cafeteria treats students in an unruly manner.
Good afternoon, my name is Prudence and I'm a student of Nigerian Institute of Journalism. First of all, I want to talk about the attitude of people working in the cafeteria. There are times when in fact most times they are always rude to customers. I know most of them are older than us, but respect is reciprocal. We always respect them and we want to plead with them that even if they will not respect us because we are younger, but for the fact that we are going there to buy and not to beg, they should respect us as students of this school. They will shout at us when we ask for change, and they like to owe, and they don't want others to owe them. That attitude is very bad. So I want, if they get to see this, I want them to change their attitude and work with customers. We are humans, for crying out loud. They should stop treating us like animals and begging for their food. So that's what I have to say concerning the cafeteria.
Thank you very much.
My name is Egon Reynard from a student of H21A. The attitude of the cafeteria attendants now is different from what I got when I first came here. Although when I first started patronizing them, they had this hostility in them. They always nag, their face is always cranky, they're always angry and all of that. So I never had this urge to patronize. I prefer to walk down outside school and get food or just take water or drinks or snacks. But recently, I guess there's an improvement. They smile now, they play with you, they joke with you, and the new environment and atmosphere has really made me patronize them a lot. So yes, there's an improvement in the school cafeteria attendance now. There is.
After hearing the views of students from various levels, we were able to gather about the complaints of students towards Esther cooking pots, and we hope and believe that the management will do something positive about this. I remain Victoria Blessing Malomo, reporting for NIJ Pen Radio TV.